What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. As we close 2025, I want to talk about my favorite tech toy of the year, a device that I use pretty much the entire year, one of my favorite devices of the year. As you know, I'm in my studio almost every day producing content. And the most important and my favorite device of 2025 has to go to the Rodecaster Video. This video switcher is also an audio production device. It's a one-stop shop for all my content creation. That's right, I make all my videos off the Rodecaster Video. The Rodecaster Video can switch between up to 6 video sources, which includes 4 HDMIs and 2 USBs. It also has 7 fully customized multi-source scenes. Listen, I have 2 of them. That's how much I love the Rodecaster Video. I have 2 of them. It also has 2 studio-grade combo audio jacks with all the onboard DSP with fully customized equalization, compression, noise gates, right? It has the Aphex processing, which is world-class leading when it comes down to audio, which you're listening to right now. Also, the Rodecaster Video has 2 HDMI outputs, which I have 2 of them, so I have 4 HDMI outputs, which you could connect to monitors. But since I'm using 7 monitors in my studio, I'm using a matrix switcher. So I have all 4 outputs of the Rodecaster Video going into a matrix switcher. This is probably the best investment that I made in 2025. That's why I bought 2 of them. So yes, the Rodecaster Video is my best tech of 2025. I would highly recommend the Rodecaster Video if anybody want to take their content creation to the next level. So yes, it is my pick of best tech of 2025. Yeah, I love that. Short and sweet. Nothing long term, nothing drawn out. It's not a smartphone this year. It is something that I use every day. So let me know down in the comments below, what's your favorite tech of 2025? And it don't have to be a smartphone. Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We're going to see you in 2026. Peace.